After teaching thousands of students and training multiple corporate team and working with 37 plus brand as a Canva designer, I have learned what design converts. This is Krishna from Digital Contouring, and in this video I am going to show you my exact step-by-step process of creating Canva designs that looks professional, brand aligned, actually sell. The very first thing I do is I look for the inspiration. I don't directly jump on Canva and start designing. Before that, I get inspiration of the specific industry that I'm working on. And to get inspiration, I prefer three websites. Inside Canva, there are multiple templates are there, so you can get ideas from the Canva templates. Then you can look for the Pinterest design, and I go for the Behance. And why it is important? Because when you see the good designs, your brain automatically learns patterns, notice anything that looks nice. Maybe it's color combination, graphics, images, layouts. If something catches my attention, I take a screenshot or save the images. And this step is very important for me to collect ideas before I start working. It's like preparing your mind before you create something new. Once I have gathered all the inspiration, like I put everything into the simple mood board in Canva. On this board, I add things like screenshot of the designs that I like, color combinations. I want to use the font, the typography that I like from the while taking the inspiration. Then I look for the images and graphics element that matches the vibe I'm going for it. So it will be my visual guide to keep me understand and work on the design. Now let's talk about how to choose color combination, fonts, photos and graphics, because this is the most important part. If you find right and clear, then your design will automatically look professional and brand aligned. To choose the right color, I always start by understanding three things: the product, the brand, and the target audience. You can choose color from the product itself, the brand's logo, and the current design trends that in particular industry. This ensures that design feels cohesive and relevant. Select the color palettes of 3 to 5 shades, not more than that. Otherwise, your design will look more chaotic. So understand this. Different fonts gives the different emotion and vibe. First, serif font. These are the perfect for official use. They feel like classy, elegant, and luxurious. Think high-end brands, law firms, or premium product that for such brands or such design you can go for the serif fonts. Second, sans serif font. These are the modern and clean. They are versatile, work great for tech brands, startup or anything needs that kind of feel. Third is script font. These carry emotion. They feel soft, loving, and are perfect for industries like cosmetic, weddings, or anything soft and creative vibe that you want to get out of from your designs. And fourth is display or decorative font. These fonts mostly use them for titles, headlines. They give off strong emotions like hardness, speed, energy. They make a statement. So when I'm choosing font, I always ask myself what kind of feeling I want from this design. That helps me to find perfect color combination and the font combination that I'm going to use for the designs. Now here is lot of people go wrong. Your photos have to match your color palette. So this is one of my biggest secret of making designs look more professional and aesthetic. To find photos and graphics elements, you can search in the photo section and elements tab. Try to find photos that matches your color palette. Use similar type of graph. And here is I'm giving you two pro tips that will help you make designs that can actually sell. When you find a photo you like, right click on it and hit info. It will tell you who is the artist behind that photo. Then you can click on their name and see more images from that same shoot or in that same style. And the pro tip 2, to find same style of graphics. Select the element, and from here you can go the artist who created these graphics, and from here you will find the same style of graphics. And this is how you can maintain the same style and theme for your designs, and it will give you more professional look. Now everything is ready. Inspiration are collected, mood board is ready, color combination is ready. I know what font I'm going to use, photos, graphics, everything is ready. Now I will go to the Canva and start designing the graphics.